My name is Steve. We're over here in Gardena, California. Over the last 10 years, it sort of deteriorated a little bit, and we decided to go ahead and get the place upgraded a little, give it a band-aid here and there. I scheduled in an appointment, and a gentleman by the name of Leo that came by as far as being a sales rep, and he introduced himself and did everything in a very business-like manner. Very good personality of a person, which what drew us to come to him over the other 3 or 4 bids that we had available. The key thing was I am not one who likes a pressure-type salesperson. I like somebody who will listen as well as speak. And with the sales rep, Leo, he was very kind, very polite, and to the point, gave us all the yays and nays, what was be happening with the painting of the property here, and like what we heard from him. And that's how we met him. One of the most important things was, as I say, they listened. Not just him, but the painters, the guys that did the woodworking, the guys that did the prepping. If there was something that didn't look right to me, out of my curiosity, I would question them. No hesitation, I got answers. And then if there was a problem, it was eliminated right away. They took care of it with no questions asked. They were very careful, very conscientious of how their work was done, made sure that if there was any mess to be made, they would correct it before it would happen. And so there was very little issue, if any, on the cleanup. I am very satisfied with what I see. It came out nice. And what I really liked, what they did and they corrected, was I had some stucco work done on the north side of the house, and they fixed it for me because it kind of looked like it was blistering and it had cracks and what have you through it. And they went in there, they smoothed it out, they sanded things down, and they went into it with the primer, the paint, the stucco, and it just all came out really good. So I would recommend them because I have already done so through I guess you'd call him a co-worker of mine. Thank you very much, Novel Remodeling. I appreciate your work.